I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have global admin rights and the tenant owner account. Once confirmed, inventory every site, custom app, and domain entry that references the current Sharepoint domain so you know what to change. Make sure DNS/TTL values are tracked and set a maintenance window. This minimizes propagation surprises. Now sign into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and Azure AD to verify domain verification status and ownership before moving to domain unlinking steps. You add and verify the new domain in Microsoft 365 and in Azure AD, then update DNS/TXT records for verification. Wait for propagation. Once verified, update SharePoint site URLs and alternate access mappings, and for each site collection run the site swap or move SB site commands where applicable. Also update service principals and app registrations so authentication flows continue. Be methodical. Change Azure AD reply URLs, update custom scripts, and reconfigure any federated identity providers so sign-ins remain uninterrupted. You wrap up by running SharePoint health checks and forcing a search crawl so new URLs are indexed. Make sure SSL certificates cover the new domain and reissue if needed, then lower DNS/TTLs back to normal. Once done, monitor sign-in and SharePoint logs for errors and confirm links and embeds function. If something breaks, clear browser and CDN caches, revalidate certificates, and verify permissions on Azure AD app registrations. These 3 fixes resolve most post-migration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.